Now that we've chosen the access type, this is the step where you choose the brain that powers your AI agent. Think of this as the engine behind the agent. Different models behave differently, support different types of conversations, and have different pricing structures. We're also continuously adding more models over time, so this isn't a one-time decision. Here, you'll see several AI models you can choose from, and each one is suited for slightly different goals. For example, you might choose a lighter model like ChatGPT 4 Mini if you're looking for faster, more lightweight responses. This can be great for simple guidance, short answers, or high-volume interactions. On the other end, you have more advanced models like ChatGPT 5 or the CommuniPass model. These are better suited for deeper conversations, more complex reasoning, and situations where the agent needs to handle nuance, context, and long interactions. The important thing to know here is that you don't need to overthink this choice. You can change the AI model at any time, even after your agent is live, so you're not locked into anything. For this demo, we'll select the CommuniPass model. In the next videos, we'll start bringing everything to life and train the agent so it behaves exactly the way you want it to.